Hans is going towards water. He like water, but he don't. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Binod, and today I'm at a beach which is closer to Bridgend, and this is a nice place to visit. If I talk about the location, nearby Ogmo Vale, and you can see behind me is lovely view. I'll show you around. The beach name is Dunraven Bay. Its main location is in a Bridgend. There's a lot of natural beauty you can see. Come with the kids. He likes to play. A lot of kids around. My kid is there too. If you come with the family. The parking was there, and we paid like £5 for parking because it's a summer season now. You can park just in front of the bay. You can see the cars by there. We parked over there, and you can go by walk from here, this place. And there's a long way to go from left and right. There's a very long way to the other side as well. And over the mountains, there's a proper like greenery. You can enjoy the view from the top. We'll try to go on up now. I think we can go from that way. There's a couple of people going over there, so you can sit and have a proper sunshine. A lot of people are over there already. You can't see from here because the edges are not really safe to stay, but it's nice. So recommend it to everyone who want to visit, which is closer to, if you live in a Cardiff, if you live in a Swansea, you might have already visited the place. If you not, if you haven't, then you can come here and enjoy with the family. हेलो गाइस, कैसे हो सभी लोग। तो यहाँ पे मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा Dunraven Bay Beach, and this is the starting. Half of the commentary gonna be in English and half of it gonna be in Hindi, so that everyone can understand. So आप यहाँ से entrance लेते हैं. This is the pathway. Day was really sunny, and you can see the view. इधर भी उधर भी lot of natural beauty. Such में it's worth it if you come with your family or any with your friends. It's worth it. The summer season is just started, so definitely visit. कुछ गल्ला तू करे, कुछ गल्ला मैं करा, मुक्के ना साडी गलबात, पानी दियां छल्लां Rehan likes it. Hans is going towards water. He like water, but he don't like water. To be honestly, he don't like water. Look at someone is so happy. Someone is so happy. Someone is so happy. Yeah, you wanna play? Let's go closer to water. First time he's feeling. I think he likes it. Ah no! खा गया रेता. How's the taste? How's the taste? Naughty boy, you naughty boy. I think he likes it. Oh, your new shoes, buddy. Your new shoes. Ah! It's okay. Your childhood will never come back, so enjoy. It's alright. You can enjoy. यहाँ ना अने चल पानी चलिए आजू 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 Ba 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 ba.
ਕੱਪੜੇ ਪਹਿਨਾਣੇ ਉਹਨੇ
ਤੇ ਪੈਂਦਾ ਹੀ ਆ
ਹੜਦਾ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੜਦਾ
ਚੱਲ ਵਾ ਲੈਟਸ ਗੋ Okay, let's go. Alright, let's go. You don't wanna go. Came back again.
ਉਹਦਾ ਨਹਾਉਣ ਵੇਲੇ ਰੋਣਾ ਤੂੰ
Let's go. No. सच में लोकेशन बहुत ही ज़्यादा सुंदर थी टू बी ऑनेस्ट कैमरा उसको कैप्चर नहीं कर पाया लेकिन अगर कोई आना चाहता है तो जरूर आए लोकेशन चाहिए तो प्लीज़ DM मी यू कैन सी रॉक स्मॉल वन बिग ones little bit of nature work all around you can play spend good time on a sunny day especially for the summers I'm trying to come from the zigzag a lot of stones. We're going back now. घर जाने से पहले I wanted to go up the hill and see how's the view. It was a little bit risky with the baby and Rihan started crying as well. So ऊपर जाने होना slowly. Don't leave your baby alone. This is the road where we came from. Look at the view. If you wanna watch more videos like this, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for further videos which gonna be a traveling vlogs and a family vlogs. Thank you very much for watching.